My father bought a row meter. Let's open. I opened it. So guys, we got a using. So guys, we got a user manual and a computer. Come guys, let's turn it on. We bought this from Amazon. This room meter is very affordable and easy to use. And the cost of this product is $9.99 only. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the link in description. Bye.
Introducing the lifelong LLQH922 Regalia room heater. The room heater measures 30 by 11 by 35 centimeters and weighs 1.2 kilograms. It is white in color. The heater requires a power of 800 watts or 400 watts depending on the setting you choose. It is meant for spot heating and is powerful enough to heat a room of up to 150 square feet size. It has a voltage or frequency ratio of 230 volts per 50 Hz. It features a safety tip over switch that cuts off the heater in case it tilts or falls. It is designed for low power consumption and silent noiseless operation. It has a cord length of 1.5 meters. The box contains one Quartz heater, one user manual and one warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty.